One of the things I love most is eating sweets. So today I want to show you how I make this protein pancake. Here are the ingredients. And if you don't have protein powder, don't worry, you can still make this recipe. I start by washing the oats because I like to remove the excess flour, but that's optional. Then, I add all the ingredients into a blender. In a preheated pan, I evenly spread a bit of oil. I can't give you the exact cooking time because that depends on many factors. But what I do is cook one side of the pancake at high heat with the pan covered to help it cook better. You'll know it's time to flip it when bubbles start to appear on top and the batter looks less wet. In my case, you might see that the batter is still a bit wobbly in the middle, but that's okay, you can still flip it. The other side should be cooked at a slightly lower temperature for a shorter time, and make sure to cover it as well. Keep in mind that it's normal for the pancake to brown a little because that's how we ensure the batter cooks through. Finally, decorate it however you like. I decided to add some cocoa powder, strawberries, chocolate syrup, and a scoop of ice cream. And that's it. As you can see, these pancakes are fluffy and, most importantly, healthy.
And remember,
if you want me to share with you more of my abuela recipes, let me know below in the comments. Hasta la vista, baby!